Previously, we broke down China's 240-hour visa-free transit policy in our video, and many of you showed great interest in it. So in this video, we're sharing a sample itinerary to show how you can explore China under this policy. You'll get to visit 5 major cities: Beijing, Xi'an, Chengdu, Guilin, and Hong Kong, all with zero visa hassle. In this 13-day trip, you can stay in China's mainland for up to 10 days. In our case, that's from Beijing to Guilin. Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China. It's treated as a third region under this policy. So be sure to book 2 separate tickets, one into China, and a confirmed onward ticket out of China's mainland within 240 hours, like a train from Guilin to Hong Kong. Conversely, the itinerary can also be taken in reverse, while still complying with this policy. And no, a round trip or connecting ticket won't count. They must be separate segments. Before you start packing, make sure your passport is valid for at least 3 more months. And when you land China, don't forget to fill out the arrival card for temporary entry. We hope this helps you better understand how the policy works. But as always, double-check everything with Chinese embassy and your airline for the latest details. Once that's all set, let's dive in. The first 3 days, begin your journey in Beijing, the heart of China's imperial past and vibrant present. After arrival, enjoy some leisure time exploring the city. Wander through the lively hutongs and savor authentic Beijing roast duck. The next day, walk through Tiananmen Square, one of the largest public squares in the world and a powerful symbol of Chinese history. Then step into the majestic Forbidden City, where grand halls and exquisite treasures evoke the glory of past dynasties. Conclude your day at Jinshan Park. A short climb rewards you with breathtaking panoramic views of Beijing. On your final day in Beijing, marvel at the majestic Temple of Heaven, a harmonious blend of architecture and symbolism. Stroll through its tranquil grounds and admire its timeless elegance. Then, stand atop the Mutianyu Great Wall and feel the weight of centuries beneath your feet. Ascend by cable car, revel in the sweeping vistas of rolling hills, and descend with memories etched in awe. And then, take a train to Xi'an to spend your next 2 days. As the ancient heart of Chinese civilization, Xi'an was also the eastern gateway of the Silk Road. Lose yourself in the vibrant alleys of the Muslim Quarter, filled with vibrant sights and tempting local cuisine. Dive into these flavors and turn every corner into a feast for the senses. Conclude your day by cycling along the Grand City Wall, soaking in sweeping views of the historic city. The following day, immerse yourself in the legendary Terracotta Warriors. Stand in awe before this over 2,200-year-old underground army guarding an emperor's tomb and marvel at the artistry of Emperor Qin Shi Huang's legacy. As night falls, visit the Great Tang All-Day Mall, where dazzling lights, Tang Dynasty-inspired architecture, and lively performances bring the past to life. After a warm home visit and traditional meal in Xi'an, head to Chengdu, home of giant pandas and laid-back living. Start your day at the Giant Panda Research Base, where China's beloved black and white icons munch on bamboo and nap peacefully. Observe these adorable creatures up close and capture their playful charm. Just remember to keep quiet. Next, step into the serene courtyards of Wenshu Monastery. Breathe in the drifting incense, echoing centuries of Buddhist tradition. Slow your pace, sip a fragrant cup of tea, soaking in Sichuan's rich tea culture as you listen to locals chat and let time slip by. Later, wander the vibrant alleys of Guilin Street, glowing with red lanterns and brimming with local snacks and Sichuan opera vibes. Round off your day with a fiery hot pot feast, a must-try for any true taste of Sichuan. Leave the city bursting behind and enter a landscape straight out of a painting. Guilin awaits. Here, nature writes poetry with mountains, rivers, and silence. The city becomes even more beautiful when illuminated at night. The next day, board a boat to cruise along the Li River, where past karst peaks rise above emerald waters in a scene of pure tranquility. Watch local fishermen cast nets from bamboo rafts, just as they've done for centuries. In the afternoon, disembark in Yangshuo, a peaceful countryside retreat where nature and tradition live in perfect harmony. Cycle through quiet village roads, past rice paddies, stone bridges, and locals tending their fields. Breathe in the fresh air as misty hills surround you and life moves to the rhythm of nature. Here, the scenery isn't just seen, it's alive. Later, drive back to Guilin and prepare for your next journey. Now, prepare your onward ticket and head to Hong Kong. Under the policy, this counts as your official exit from China's mainland and completes the transit requirement. Hong Kong, where tradition and innovation meet at every turn. Spend your final 3 days soaking up the energy of this vibrant metropolis. After arrival, explore at your own pace. From world-class malls to bustling neighborhoods, there's something for everyone. The following day, take in the skyline from Victoria Peak, where the city stretches skyward against a backdrop of harbor and hills. Then step into Taikwan, a revitalized colonial-era site now thriving with art and culture. Stop by Central Market for a taste of local flavors. Then slip into the incense-filled calm of Munmo Temple, where coils of smoke carry prayers for wisdom. Later, relax at Repulse Bay, where golden sands and gentle waves offer a tranquil escape. And as the sun sets, hop on the Ding Ding tram. With every gentle bell and slow glide, it reminds you, in Hong Kong, the past travels with you. On your final day, go with no agenda, just you and Hong Kong. Wander through bustling markets packed with street food and vintage finds. Sip milk tea in a local cafe. Cross Victoria Harbor as neon lights shimmer on the water. Let the city's magic leave a lasting impression, the perfect finale to your China adventure. With 240-hour visa-free transit policy, China is closer than you think. Inspired by what you saw? Feel free to contact us via email or phone. We're here to help plan your next adventure in China. If this journey sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and insider guides to help you explore China with ease. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to meet you in China.